Hi everyone and welcome back to Teacher's Eye. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga vlogs ko. So our topic for today is how to create our weekly home learning plan per subject area. Okay, again, this is a step-by-step guide. So ito na ngayon yung template ng ating weekly home learning plan. Ang focus nito is the subject area of oral communication. Okay? So, yung iba kasing weekly home learning plan na nakalagay doon is per section. Ito ngayon, ang gagawa nito is yung mga subject teacher, then ibibigay kay principal para i-approve. At pag na-approve na, ibibigay na ngayon kay class advisor. So, si class advisor kasi, yung mag-consolidate ng lahat ng weekly home learning plan per subject area. Okay? So, discuss na natin kung ano yung meron sa template na to. Of course, yung first semester, dahil ako ay under ng senior high school department, the school year, the grade level, this is grade 11, then strand is ICT, subject area is oral communication, week number 1, then yung quarter, and of course, yung date kung hanggang kailan itong weekly home learning plan. So, ang ginawa ko kasi is good for 1 week. Dahil once a week yung meeting namin ng aming mga estudyante. Again, depende ito sa program ng school nyo. So, for day and time, nakalagay sa akin is 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Alright? So, learning competencies, the learning task, mode of delivery. So, you can see, naglagay na ako ng sample backbone ng aking learning task para mamaya, lagay na lang tayo ng lagay. So, we have pre-activity, the lesson or activity proper, discussion, independent practice, generalization, evaluate, assessment, and extend. Then, prepared by kung sino yung subject teacher and submitted to the school principal. So, yung mga kailangan nating resources para sa paggawa ng ating weekly home learning plan is, of course, itong template nating weekly home learning plan. Then, yung ating most essential learning competencies or Whlp. And, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is yung ating ADM or module for that subject. So, mag-start muna tayo dito sa ating learning competency. Sa ating learning competency, kailangan nating mag-base, of course, dito sa ating Whlp. So, isi-search natin, ito yung ating oral communication subject. So, as you can see, ito dito sa pinakaunang part, gagawin ko, hin-highlight ko lang, then copy, then paste. Okay? So, ayan na yung ating learning competency, then copyhin din natin yung kanyang CG code. Okay, so ganyan lang po yung paglalagay at paggagawa ng ating learning competency. Next, ang ating namang learning task. So, yung learning task natin, magbe-base tayo dito sa ating ADM. Okay? So, yung dahil unang nakalagay dito is the pre-activity. So, ayan. Ang lagay muna natin is yung what I need to know. Okay, so lagay natin, read what I need to know. Okay, tapos ilagay lang natin yung page number. Actually, yung page number is optional, pero syempre, para madali nang mahanap ng mga estudyante natin. Ayan, so read what I need to know. Then, yung susunod kasi dito is what I know. So, yung what I know, then answer, let's say, the pretest assessment, what I know. Then, page number is page number 2 to page number 4. So, page number 2 to page 4. Para medyo maganda-ganda. Enter na natin. Okay, so ganyan yung paglalagay ng pre-activity. So, let us now proceed sa ating lesson or activity proper. This time, sa discussion muna. Okay? Again, magbe-base ulit tayo sa ating ADM. So, as you can see, dito sa ating ADM, meron tayong what's in. So, let's say communication. Okay. So, lagay tayo dyan. Let's say meaning of communication. Or kahit ano, understanding of communication. Okay, pwede yan. Then, ilalagay ko lang is read what's in. Then, yung page number. Again, page number is optional. Okay? Then, ang next na ilalagay ko naman, ayan, what's new. So, what's new is about, okay? So, let's say, ang topic for what's new is history of communication. Then, ayan, may nakalagay kasi dyan is may parang pre-activity inside sa what's new. So, pwede natin ilagay read what's new and answer the free activity. Okay. So, page number 6 to 7. Page 6 to 7. Okay. So, parang naiba yung size. 12. Okay. Next. Ayan. What is it? So, dito, pwede ko nang ilagay is yung nature of communication. Okay, andun yung nature of communication. So, read and understand what is it? Then, yung page number, that is page 8 up to page 10. So, page 8 up to 10. And that's it. Okay, so aside sa ating ADM, pwede rin tayong magbigay ng mga tinatawag na supplementary lesson. Okay, so pwede yung video, let's say for example, video link. So kung meron kayong mga YouTube channel na kayo naman nagle-lecture doon, pwede nyo i-link. Or kung meron naman kayong mga nakikitang teacher na vlogger, okay, so pwede rin. So, let's say, oral communication. Alam ko, meron dito. Ayan, si Whlp. Ayan, si Ma'am. Si Teacher Mirna. Okay, so let's say, share ko yan sa aking mga students. So, ikakopy ko lang yung link. And then, ipipaste ko dito. Okay? So, ayan. So, kung gusto manood ng mga estudyante ko, pwede silang mag-tune in dyan sa video link na yan. Then, next is yung independent practice na tinatawag. So, sa independent practice, again, mag-base tayo sa ating ADM. Okay? So, dito tayo natapos sa what's more. Diyan na tayo ngayon. So, read and answer the activities in what's more. Okay, then the page number is page 11. Okay, so ganun siya. Gagawin ko to. Yung mga part ng ADM is maganda sigurong i-bold natin para alam ng mga estudyante na sa ADM siya makikita or sa kanilang mga module. Ayan. Okay, so going back. So, meron tayong independent practice. Let's now proceed sa ating generalization. So, what I have learned. So, how many activities? Activity 1 and 2. So, pwede natin ditong ilagay. Read and answer. Activity 1. And activity 2. Under what I have learned. Then, yung page number is page 12. Okay, pwede na siguro dito. Page 12. Again, naka-bold, ADM part. Then next is evaluate. Okay? Activity 1 and 2. Okay, so same pa rin, read and answer. Pwede siguro natin i-copy-paste na lang to. Ayan, read and answer activity 1 and 2 under, what is that again? What I can do. What I can do. That is page 13 up to 14. 13 up to 14. Okay, then last, I guess, okay, second to the last is the assessment. So, answer the assessment. Okay, so read and answer the assessment. Answer. Ayan, ganyan lang. Then, yung page number is page number 15 to 16. Then, nakalagay is extend. So, extend is for additional activities. Ayan. Of course, yung ating favorite term, read and answer. Ayan. Additional activities. That is page number 17. And that's it. Okay, meron na tayong learning task. So, this time is mode of delivery naman. So, sa school kasi namin, we have two different kinds of mode of delivery. So, meron kami modular print. Ito yung printed na may hard copy yung mga estudyante at modular online. So, pwede silang naka-Google Classroom, Class-in, Facebook Messenger, and the like. So, may ready answer na ako dyan. Ika-copy ko na lang. Okay, so for modular print, ayan, parents are asked to submit the module in their respective LGUs or in the school, whichever is preferred. Okay, again, that is under modular print. Sa modular online naman, so, for online submission, students are asked to submit their outputs through Google Classroom. Okay? So, ayan na po ang ating weekly home learning plan. So, if you have suggestion and reaction, so please comment it down. So, ayan, again, this is for approval pa ng ating mga school head. Diba? I-check kasi nila yan. Then, upon checking, dun pa lang pwedeng ibigay sa ating mga class advisors. At si class advisor naman ang magko-consolidate ng mga to.